गोयच्या सीमेक लागून आशिल्ल्या महाराष्ट्रात तिळारीच्या रानात अंमली पदार्थां खातीर लागपी झाडांची लागवड करता अशी माहिती काँग्रेसीचे आमदार प्रताप सिंग राणे हांणी दिल्या। केळी तशेंच हेर कुळागरांनी हाची लागवड जाता आनी हाका लागून गांवांगांवांनी ड्रग्स पावपाक लागला। सरकारान ड्रग्स गोंयच्यान कायमचे भायर काडपाक यत्न करचो अशी मागणी प्रताप सिंग राणेन सभाघरात केल्या। RDX गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट।
Drugs are spreading. We have to take care. आमचे ते वटेन हांवें एकदां सांगलेलें CMाकूच पयलीं 2012 and he had sent somebody to me. There are people who are going in Tilari area. They are planting banana trees and other things. And in between they plant the drugs. They are finding their way right from my constituency down to this, wherever there are colleges, wherever there are schools. We have to be very careful. These drugs. So kindly see that we, not only the policemen, but anybody involved in drugs, please see that they are punished. In Singapore, if you are going to Singapore, as you are landing, they give you a piece of paper.
It's okay.
There is a death sentence if you are caught with drugs. Now, we have to be also very strict about this, because a person is as good as dead if he starts taking drugs.